kind of thing is this? Like, look at my hair. Look at my hair. I decided to share that clip just to show you guys a glimpse of what it felt like losing my temples. When I mean temples, I mean the front part of my hair, popularly known as edges. That was how it felt that day. When I was sharing this earlier, I never shared this part earlier because of some reasons. That was why I never shared this part, but I felt the need to share it now because I know I have healed and I'm free and I'm in the best place to share this now. I just want you to see what it feels like not having edges and what it feels like to grow back these edges using just what some of you neglect, what some of you don't feel like is working. I just want you to see how I felt and how God helped me to use what I share with you guys to grow back my edges. And that is why I had to show you guys this clip and also encourage some of you who might be going through the same thing, the same hair loss, to show you and to tell you guys that there is hope. With natural ingredients, yes, there is hope. You can still smile again. It is me, as I'm speaking to you right now, I am smiling now. I am no longer worried about my edges. I am so happy with them now because I have used the natural ingredients that I share with you guys on this channel to grow back my edges. So if you're in my shoe, if you're experiencing hair loss, please do not skip any part of this video. Now, my first ingredient is ginger. Now, this is the season for ginger, even though it's still expensive, whether you have the dry one, but I would prefer you use the fresh ones. So as I'm using the fresh one in this video, go on ahead to purchase the fresh ones and then grate it just as I'm doing. Grate it very well and then get the grated ginger. You can make sure to wash it thoroughly because you don't want to introduce microorganism in your hair. Make sure to wash it thoroughly before grating. So make sure to grate this. If you have blender, go ahead to blend it, provided you don't use water, because ginger already have water and you don't want to add more water to this. If you add more water, you might end up cooking this longer than necessary and you might end up messing up with the nutrients that are embedded in this ginger. So after grating it, that is what I have. If you want to know the benefits of ginger, please go on ahead to research on ginger. Ginger is very, very good for growing back your hair. Please go on ahead to do your research. It is better you do your research than when I tell you, because you will believe more when you research yourself. So go on ahead to grab your light oil, grab your light carrier oil. I'm using sunflower oil in this video. So in 1 tablespoon, that is 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil. Now the grated ginger, add it to the oil and begin cooking or frying, whichever you want to call it. So we are going to throw more herbs to it. The next herb that I'm going to be adding to this is rose petals. So just about 1 tablespoon of rose petals. Now next flower that I'm going to be throwing in is calendula flower. You can just go on ahead to make the ginger without any other herbs, but I just want to add this to help with moisture, to further help with moisture in your hair. So that is why I'm adding this rose petals. If you don't have these rose petals and calendula, you can use hibiscus. Every one of you have hibiscus, except you're not on this channel. If you have been following me on this channel, you definitely would have hibiscus. I'm sure of that. Dima is sure of that. So just fry this a bit, just for about 15 minutes. You don't want to do too much, so that you don't mess with the ingredients. When you allow it to cool before straining, you will notice that the ingredients becomes dark. That doesn't mean that you have lost the nutrients. That doesn't mean that this is bad. It simply means that you fried it so well to the point that it means that you fried it so well, full stop. So once you're done straining this, transfer it into your applicator bottle and then drop some essential oil to it. About 5 drops of essential oil if you make this batch of peppermint and maybe tea tree essential oil. Now this oil is ready, your ginger oil. This is the best ginger oil you will ever find. Everything is fresh, everything is potent, everything is in the right proportion. This is the best ginger oil. If you have ever used ginger to grow back your hair, let me know in the comment section below. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. So apply this on the problem areas. What you would do is to apply it, if you're bald, apply it on the bald area and then use your fingers to massage in circular motion. But if you don't have if you have a massager, you can use massager and then massage. But if you don't have massager, feel free to use your fingers. If you're having hair loss, please keep up with this, applying it on the root of your hair. You can apply on your hair tips. Your hair tips are the oldest part of your hair, so they need more tender loving care. So apply this. You can see how I'm massaging it. Keep up with it every day. Then on Sundays, maybe if you apply from Monday to Sundays, then on Sundays on the bald area, you can just use mild shampoo to wash it off and then continue on the next Monday. That's how to keep up with this, and with no time you will see results. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.